These look like a Mentos had a baby with a stormtrooper, but are they good? Welcome to Perfect Perception, and today we are reviewing the Oppo Enco Buds 2. Please like and subscribe, and let's begin. The case is a small matte finish pebble design. The hinge feels surprisingly sturdy for something this cheap. It doesn't have that creaky haunted house door vibe that most budget buds have. These are IPX4 rated. That means they can handle your sweat during a light jog, or your tears when you realize you're still at the gym on a Friday night. Just don't take them swimming. Sorry to the mermaids out there. Battery is 28 hours in total and 7 hours on a single charge. That is actually insane. Most flagship buds that cost 4 times as much barely hit 6 hours. These could last a flight from New York to Singapore. They do not have active noise cancellation. Okay, let's talk about the 10mm titanized drivers. That sounds like something out of a Marvel movie, but seriously, these things thump. If you like bass, and I mean the kind of bass that makes your teeth rattle and your neighbors call the police, these are for you. The bass boost mode is aggressive. It's like having a tiny subwoofer living in your ear. Now, audiophiles, look away. These are not balanced. They are not analytical. If you listen to a 40-piece orchestra, the violins might sound like they're being played through a sock. But if you're listening to funk, EDM, or anything with a beat, these punch way above their weight class. They're fun. They're the fast food of audio. Here is a feature I didn't know I needed. Double tap to control the camera. Yes, you can use your earbud as a remote shutter. Is it useful? Maybe if you're a solo traveler trying to take a candid photo of yourself looking at a sunset. Is it weird to see someone tapping their ear and then posing? Absolutely. You'll look like a secret agent who's really into TikTok. So in conclusion, if you want the best audio, these will offend you. But if you're a student, a gym rat, or just someone who loses headphones every 3 weeks, buy them. They're the best cheap buds I've tested this year. They're loud, they're punchy, and they don't feel like they're going to explode in your ear. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Bye bye.